back on another video. As y'all can see, yep. Y'all see this nigga, bro. That nigga, but as y'all can see, we got the whole gang outside. We got this nigga X right here. Everybody outside today. Anyways, y'all, look at my lights. I need to change my lights. And this nigga.
Don't ever in your life bend over in front of me like that.
These niggas gay. Y'all see these niggas?
Fuck Rich!
Yo, what's going on? What's going on?
Fuck Rich!
Damn. Y'all see how they do me in chat? Huh? What that shit said? Hey, what that name said? Let me go look real quick. Rico!
You guys stress me out. You guys stress me out. I love you guys too. This guy stressed me out, bro. Birch, what's your car? Birch, what's your car?
Man, this shit lit. God, my girl ain't messing up, y'all. But my
You're not like no fucking Benz.
y'all look at this bumbo clap BMW.
Hey, don't look at the interior.
This a fuckery.
It's some real shit.
Fuckery, let me see this.
Real shit.
Real fuckery, look that.
Real shit.
Real fuckery.
Yes, sir.
Look, see one of them. Pussy one lady that.
Yo, fuck out Yo.
Y'all look at this nigga.
You bumped me? Now you gonna pass on this? Oh,
That's that Nick shit.
Dollar. You rich. Why you gassing him up like that?
Hey.
Why you getting
Hey.
involved? Don't try to talk away. Don't try to talk away. She hating?
Who said what?
Everybody.
Who?
You pay for everybody.
Hey.
Everybody.
I'm paying for everybody food?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it. I didn't say no, wait. I didn't say no, I said wait. Right. Alright.
But if he didn't say no, I mean yes.
Alright.
Right next to you.
At least it ain't no bump and shit.
Yo, this is my dream car right here. This shit needed, nigga. Oh, this bitch chopping. It was colder than this though. Oh, bench right here. Y'all see what's going on here, bro? This is fire. Smell food, bro. I'm hungry, man. Y'all didn't hear that shit.
Camera heard it.
Well, my camera didn't hear that shit.
No, feed me.
I don't know what to get, bro.
What the fuck you want, gang? This is not that.
What you say?
This is not that. Stop zooming into my face, bitch ass nigga.
What you say about him?
What she said?
What you say about him, man?
Bumbleclap.
Nah. I said what you say you eat? You say you eat a lot.
You eat dick.
This nigga gay. This nigga gay chat. This nigga chat.
Yo, I was so.
Think I should get one? I really like Coops though, bro. Y'all think I look good in this chat? That's what I heard. This nigga just needs some wheels and he Gucci. Good money. I ain't gonna lie, this is fire. This is fire. Yo, what? Yo, it's my first time seeing some shit like this. Yeah, this some fire shit, boy. And that shit clean. Clean. Big ass turbo. You know I love me a Benz, no matter what. These are nice. What's good, bro?
Then we got the crazy back.
Yo, ain't no way.
Nah, they went crazy.
Yeah, bro. Stupid.
They got a whole Vegeta, Goku.
Yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I don't fuck with sorry for cussing, but I don't mess with Mopars, but bro. Yeah,
They
bro.
custom like this.
Yeah.
This shit is crazy.
Yeah, y'all see the glitter in that shit? Yo. Crazy, bro.
Like it? Yeah.
Yeah, that shit fire, bro.
It's painted and hydrogen. Pieces, yeah.
Yeah, that's fire. Yeah, bro. Oh, I didn't even peep that. Yo, it's barely showing on the camera. Hold on, let me see, y'all. Y'all see that? Fire. It's fire. See? This look like me.
Look at the paint. Look at the paint.
Oh.
See it on that side. Look at the paint.
Oh, this some
Bro,
Viper.
look at the hood, bro.
Yo,
That shit is
long.
a
That shit
big-ass
long,
hood.
yeah. Pause.
Yo, look at the wing. What the fuck?
Yo,
Yo, wait
Fire.
till the Venom. This is crazy.
fire.
This is the best
Fire.
van I've seen. Yeah, this is a good setup. Good setup. With the ambient lighting inside, yeah. Damn.
Yo, this look like me though. I would do some shit like this. Yo, I would do some shit like this. This me right here.
It's a wide body cat. Oh, this gets
I would do this wide body right here. Fire. Damn, bro. Oh my god. And this bed chopper. at the wing. Yo, fire. Oh, hey, yo, and it's manual. Hey, and it's manual. Yeah. Yo, fire, bro. Fire.
Bro, this shit is a boat. Extra friend.
Laying that shit on the floor.
Nigga, this shit bigger than the Durango, nigga. Bro, it's a car.
That shit wide.
That's
for
good
real,
for
though.
you. Now that's fire. That's fire.
Yo.
Yo, wait,
Yeah.
let me see the inside. Watch out.
Yeah.
Let me see the inside. Holy shit.
All these niggas got big ass wings, bro. Another Durango right here, y'all. Fire. Fire, bro. Oh my God.
Yeah, look.
Heavy hitters really outside, boy.
What's up, little bro? Oh,
That
okay.
shit's stupid. What's up, little bro? Yo,
What's up, little bro?
bro?
Oh, that nigga smoking? Oh, I thought you smoking, little bro. Fire, bro. Yo, Mopar on top right now, boy.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fire as fuck.
Hey, X.
This shit paralysing.
Yo, X. Mopar on top right now. Look at that, bro.
Look at the paralysing.
Yo.
Yo, Rich, look at your truck like this. Oh my God.
Let me see that setup.
Truck like that.
Oh, yeah. That's,
Yo, With
that's
the
fire.
transport- Oh my God, yo.
Yeah, that's fire.
Bro, look at the wing. How could you even do it?
That's
Bro, this
fire.
is a comic book, bro. Like, this shit is
We're under
That's fire.
Yo, look at the back seat, bro.
I don't even think you can. Holy shit. What the fuck?
Yo. Yo. What the fuck?
Yo, you see the fans spinning?
Yo.
Yo, I feel fucking insane.
And the whole wheel is clean.
Yes, bro.
That's what I'm saying. That nigga.
Bro,
Yo. That nigga came here and did some work.
Yes, yep. Extra. Look at that. Nah, that's fire.
Yeah, bro. Let's see what's going on.
Oh,
here.
nah. Yo,
He got a set of dummies.
Oh.
He got a set of dummies.
Yo, X.
He got a, oh my
Yo.
fucking
Look how
god.
big this
Yo.
Yo, this got 20s.
Nigga said 20.
Like twins.
Nigga say that's me. Nigga say that's me. Hold on. This is my shit right here though. Hey, look. I wouldn't get no. No, I'm not gonna say. Is it a track or a Durango? I ain't getting no auto Mopar.
Jackie every time. It's a hawk.
I would get the Durango.
Too big.
It is, but if you got family,
Yo, I wanna ask
you can't go wrong.
Yo, I wanna ask a question. Yo, since you guys are recording, okay. Where the fuck is your cameras at, bro?
What?
Y'all niggas is baiting right now.
It's a
What's wrong? What's wrong with this nigga?
Come on, bro.
You're using the GoPro action.
You know you got like
Nick.
10 cameras in your house.
Look.
You know you got 10
You wanna
cameras in
bet
your
my
house.
video gonna be cleaner than your shit?
Word.
You wanna bet? You wanna bet?
Bet.
$100.
Nah, I bet you $1,000.
1,000?
Mm.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm playing. Like, yo.
I'm not gonna lie, you got
I ain't gonna lie though, nigga. This nigga told me, don't play, nigga. Use your phone. This shit, nigga. I don't need a camera, boy. Hold on.
Yo, oh my god. That's a nice ass turbo. I wanna buy a Honda.
Yo, that's fire.
Ass shit, bro.
And that nigga drinking. Yo, X. Let me and you do two-step, bro.
Me not do no two-step, dog.
Bro, me and you.
Me not do no two-step.
Me and you.
Me
Me
not
and
doing
you.
no two-step, dog.
There, hey, Chad, this nigga backing down for my
Me not doing no
two-step.
two-step, dog.
Man, fuck that B. Where you at? Bro.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh, it was just at the deli with us. It was at the deli with us just now. Yeah.
I felt the flame.
Yo.
I had my window cracked.
Yo, I gotta see this though. They saw it. I didn't see it.
It's two-step time. That's definitely not stop, sir. Okay. It's okay. We having fun right now, but we about that life, man. Listen, are you ready? All right, 3. Oh, you sure this thing's on? No, I'm playing with you. Good. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm over here. No, I'm over here. That's why. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Uh-oh. All right, so you know what I'm going to say. This is crowd participation when we do the two-step. I like these, man. You almost got the same color. Would y'all plan this to come up here? Did you sign up? I know he did. No, I'm playing with you. All right, check this out, guys. So before you continue, guys, I'm going to put my hand over somebody. You guys are going to make some noise. You can count. Only go 9,000 RPMs. Only that has 2,000 can. No, I'm kidding. You good, bro. So real quick, we're going to do this one more time. We're going to move on. Hang in there, Paul. No breathing. Remember, it's Paul Walker, right? Paul Walker? No, Paul Walker's better. You're good. All right, so we're going to make some noise for Paul. One more time. Uh-oh. We're going to do that one more time if we wasn't in sync. Yeah, I know what happens when you press the sync button. One more time, make some noise for Paul. Uh-oh. All right, okay, make some noise. Make some noise. Uh-oh. Sir, you are dismissed. We appreciate you, man. Keep that up. No, this is dope. This is clean.
Bro looking like he said.
Hold on.
Bro looking like he said, what the fuck?
Yeah, word. Yo, you stupid, bro.
Yo. Bro chilling.
Yeah, no, for the grind, for the grind. Wow, I appreciate that. Hey, listen, for the love.
You know they went too hot for that.
Appreciate that. No, we good, man. No, we
I want
good.
it back though.
I appreciate the love, but you might not get this back. I'm gonna warn you. So, as you already know, it's gonna be a little tough here. Make some noise for the BRZ. Oh man, that's all y'all got? One more time for the BRZ. All right, and I'm gonna go back. Well, he's already right there. Paul Phoenix, make some noise for Paul Phoenix. Uh-oh, this is gonna be tough. Oh, Paul, you want to get it one more time? One more time. Mic for that one. All right, stand by, Paul. happy. Are you ready? Uh-oh, here we go. You said redemption. All right, go for it, my boy. Regular fuel. I smell it from over here. What's going on? You went to Sunoco before this?
Who's talking him?
Yeah.
We're gonna do this one more time. I know you got my ball right in front. Make some noise for Paul. Uh-oh. Make some noise for the BRZ. Paul, you're done well, but you are dismissed.
I'm sorry, Paul.
You did good. Yo, I'm gonna need that intercom, man. Just use it whatever you want to. Oh my God. Uh-oh.
Hey, bro, really chilling though. Bro is chilling.
Okay, we got next up, we got Alex. Okay, so you know what time it is. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Do I hear redemption? Try one more time. We're gonna let Alex try one more time. Alex, 3, 2, 1, go! Redemption. That's what
yeah, bro.
Hold on.
I told you.
Yeah, bro. I told you.
One more time,
That nigga chilling, I told you, bro.
In my chest, what's going on? God.
Hey.
So, hold on. I'm gonna
Yo, from I see that nigga chilling, I'm like, yeah.
You go what?
I don't even see where that shit at though.
You got a burgundy. I think what, G?
Oh. I got my name on here. Oh, this shit right here.
G37? Okay, they gotta move over. Once again, the burgundy 250 and the blue G37. You guys gotta move over. It's gonna be tight, I know. Again, please make room. I know it's getting crowded. Everybody's trying to get up there. Get out of here to two-step.
He warming up.
No, it's already carried away.
This is already warmed up.
Uh-oh. Alex.
This is already warmed up.
Redemption. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! You was holding back. I see how it is. Pantano. Redemption. Are you ready?
He ain't fucking with that.
Man. He's like, I got my phone.
He
I'm
ain't
ready.
fucking with that.
3,
At all.
2, 1, go!
warmed up.
He warmed up. That's
the
a
whole
fact.
body, boy.
That's a fact.
Listen, I
That's a
don't know if
fact.
they like the calm or they like how loud you are. Hold on. Listen, Platano. Alex, stand down. I'm gonna let the crowd decide. I heard it. Y'all already started cheering. It was a left and a
Yeah, I
right
think
time
so.
team. Hold on.
What you
Make
think?
some noise
What
for
you think?
Alex. All right. Back to Platano. Everything. All the vents in there? I get it. All right, Jay, are you ready? All right.
What you think?
3,
What you think?
2, 1, go. Oh, let me come back over here. Jay, pop the hood right now. You know I got tools. I got tools on me. Platano. Are you ready? All right, we got a redemption. Platano, go 3, 2, 1. And you gotta cheer? It's gonna be tough, man. Okay, Platano, make some noise for Platano. Oh, man.
That's crazy.
And for the one time, Jay, redemption? He said one more time. He said he's not done. 3, 2, 1, go!
Damn.
So again, crowd participants.
Yeah, back that shit up.
Because no flames was popping out like that.
One more time for Platano. Okay, and one more time for Christian. You done well. This is clean. I understand. Hey, all the way. You got the kids in the car.
Yeah.
All right. So Christian, you. Our Rex team is telling you to step back. This time, I'm serious. Step back. The reason why the flames get on. So, understand that right now, on the motorcycle, I don't suggest that you might lose some eyebrows behind that. Let me know when you're ready. I think I'm gonna get this on. Let me know when you're ready. Everybody's cameras ready? Hold on. Okay. You guys are ready. He ain't done. He's not done, y'all. Fine. Keep going one more time. He right here.
No, I'm on the way back home, chat, and traffic, man. But I got my boy I got Danny behind me. Yeah, I'm about to go home, man. I'm tired, bro. I'm mad tired. I've been out all morning. I've been up since like, I think like, what time I woke up? Like 8 o'clock? When I woke up, niggas were blowing on my phone. Yeah, man, but that's gonna be the end of this video though. Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. We're going up. We're on the road to 1K subs. I'm doing good. I'm not doing good, but I'm doing good. You feel me? So I appreciate everybody showing love and all that. I'll see y'all in the next video.